So I just landed in Dallas, and this is gonna be a kind of crazy day because I got the last minute call from Nate's team owner that I'm out here for a special little mission. And so we changed some flights and booked some tickets, and here I am, and on my way to catch up with boy Nate. So let's see what we got going. There he is.
Let's go, dude.
My man.
Welcome to Texas.
Yeah,
Let's go, Chris.
Yeah, bud. All right, look at this ripper.
Yeah, dude.
This is sick.
Little 86. I'll
I
tell you
know.
the story about how I didn't want to buy it, but I bought it.
Okay, okay. Well, I'm realizing that it's hotter than hell here, so
Yeah,
we'll pop
that's
this
true.
off and let's get comfortable.
All right, let's get out of here, dude.
Yeah, dude. It's a little hot rod. I'm freaking pumped. This is I don't want to say last minute, but kind of. No, we're chatting all weekend. You know, saw the Rush cars. It was the first time I got to see them in person out at Road America.
Yep.
And Nate introduced me to Doug, the team owner, and we got a little bit of a tour of the cars, and it was awesome. I loved it. And so yeah, like at the end of the weekend, everyone's pumped, feeling good. Nate was ripping, had a good finish, and so it turned into like, what more can we do, right? What more attention can we try to bring to these Rush cars and this team? And you know, thanks to Nate,
Yep.
and of course thanks to Doug and the whole team. They brought me out to do a little testing today in Dallas. Well, not today, tomorrow. So just got in. It is 8:30 at night. We're gonna go grab some dinner, crash to the hotel, and we're hitting the track first thing.
It's gonna be so fun, dude.
Oh, I'm stoked.
This stuff for me is like, I know you haven't driven one yet, and I know you've driven a comparable something, but like, just this thing is like Christmas, dude. Like, just getting to drive these feels so different. And I remember the first time I was like, I'm addicted, now I'm screwed, you know? So I hope you have the same feeling. Like, I hope you feel like, because I mean, you'll handle it really well, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
I think the comprehension, that's what I've been learning. Like, when things get weird, like, we can adapt very, very quickly. And you will also feel that, and it's gonna be fun, dude.
Yeah. No, I'm stoked for it. Like, well, you got to do that secret formula with NOS Energy earlier this year, and so I got to drive the Formula 4, and it was super addicting. Love it. And even on the sim, it's very addicting. Even today, K&N came by, and so we did a little, like, you know, challenge. You know, Chris Forsberg at the GTR, the Nissan GTR GT3 car at Laguna Seca, and so I haven't driven on the sim in a minute, so I hopped on and threw down like maybe 10 laps, and I clicked off a 124, which is, you know,
Nice,
like,
dude.
it's quick, and so I was pretty pumped on that, and without getting, like, you know, just overwhelmed with, you know, diving after tents. I was like, all right, 124, I'm happy with that. I know I could get down to a 23 if I spent, you know, a little more time. It's been a minute, a little rusty, but yeah, it's addicting. You start chasing those tents.
And that's the thing, like, you get a number,
Yeah.
you know, like, and I keep
A quantifiable number of improvement.
I keep referring it to like the locals at the shop. They're like, what's the difference? And I'm like, all right, you can kickflip, but I can kickflip, and who wins?
Yeah.
And that's kind of like drifting. You know, it's like we're both really doing well behind the wheel in a drift car, but like, who is better? And it's subjective, where this shit is like, tomorrow we're gonna find out lap times and we'll know exactly how fast Chris is. It's my first year ever, and I'm like in the teens, you know,
Yeah.
like in the teens and finishes, and like, it's cool.
Yeah, that's insane.
Yeah.
You said first year, it's your second race.
I mean, yeah. Like fourth day behind the wheel. 2 test days. Hey, you're going to Mid Ohio. Hey, you're going to Road America.
Yeah, that's what I'm
we're
saying.
here.
Like 2 of the biggest tracks in like North America, and it's like, yeah, you're already upper mid pack, which is awesome.
It's so cool, dude.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for us, dude. And we're teammates at LimeRock.
I know.
What the f are we doing?
I haven't been to LimeRock since 2004.
I've never been there.
I'm the first guy to ever drift on LimeRock.
No way.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, Tony and I did a demo there back in 2004 with the Formula D team.
Dude.
Yeah.
Damn.
In borrowed cars, borrowed 240s.
So you know that track pretty well.
No, I did turn 1 and 2. I did hop on the sim. We downloaded the car and LimeRock, and I was putting in some laps there just to get a general feel. I'm like, well, if I'm going to do any track, might as well do LimeRock.
Yep.
But yeah, Nate shared some helmet cam of this track that we're gonna go test that, and so I haven't watched that yet. We're gonna watch it later on.
Yep. Yeah, we gotta study a bit, because that
Yeah.
will help a lot, and then maybe a beer too. You know what I mean?
Yeah, down for that.
Is this the stockyards?
I don't know. You tell me.
Is this the stockyards? Yeah, dude. We're in it?
Yeah.
Hell
My
yeah,
man,
dude.
we're in the stockyards,
go.
brother. All right, sick. Dude, all right.
Alright, fuck it.
Look, we got some Cowboys. the second rodeo. I mean,
bunch of
last I checked, this is my first rodeo, so maybe we should go to second rodeo and really, up the ante.
Cheers.
Cheers, dog.
We're gonna sweat this out tomorrow.
This place is freaking sick.
We're underdressed.
Nah, you just forgot your cowboy hat.
That's right, that's right.
Yeah. You gonna ride that thing, dog?
Dude, what are we doing?
Get on that.
What about this,
Is that an English or a Western saddle? Go.
Western? No?
Brother. Brother.
I have no clue.
Western saddle has the handle. Real cowboy stuff.
Dude, not from here.
Says little text.
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to Rapscallion.
Yeah.
I know. I was telling him, I was like, we gotta get this.
Oh yeah, we hooked him up with his favorite brand over here.
Oh my gosh, he's got the NOS, Chris. He's got the NOS. Doug's wild.
The NOS fan. Oh. Yeah, think about a NOS livery, Sunoco NOS livery on this thing.
Tell him, Doug.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
100%, dude.
Hell yeah.
Man, see, when you're really short, it's not that easy. You know what I mean? It's like, oh, no changes.
Yeah, no, we're about the same height.
Like, cause I said it earlier, I was like, Chris is just a hair taller, so I moved the pedal box out. I'm
Did
like,
you?
perfect.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is my personal one, so it just it fits. Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Does it actually feel good, Chris? Do you need any changes?
Feels great. Seats aren't ultra comfortable.
What's up?
Yeah,
I wouldn't want it any further.
Yeah,
And then if I go any closer, my knee's gonna be up in this dash.
Yeah.
It's like just off of it. It's like perfect.
Yeah, because you'll clutch first gear and then there'll be left foot braking from
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, I got like 2 fingers like to the dash on my knees right now. So yeah, we just got the quick and dirty tour from Doug, who is the owner of Rapscallion. And yeah, they got these LMP4, LMP3, and a couple of the rush cars in the back. This one too, right here. And so really, really cool to see these cars up close. And we are getting ready to go on the track in like 25 minutes. So it's 8:35 a.m. and we are heading out. So this is awesome. Doug's been just such a cool dude, and thanks to Nate for bringing me out and helping make that connection. Well, I should say, yeah, thanks to Doug and Nate, right? So Doug owns this place. This is Rapscallion. We'll get a more detailed tour here for you guys in a second, but yeah, Nate made the connection, Doug made the call, and here we are 5 days later after first meeting him. So rad. Let's get to it.
So we actually custom build race cars. This one is we just did the 12 hours in Charlotte, and so we custom build these cars, interior GT steering wheels.
So sick.
Yeah, so we manufacture, this company's called Rapscallion Performance, and it's like the race division of Rapscallion Motorsports.
Okay.
And so we take the Miata NC chassis and we custom build them, and then we run 8-hour, 12-hour, 24-hour races on them.
No way. Very cool. All local or all around the country?
All around the country.
Wow.
Yeah, so we just came back, we just did the 12 hours of Charlotte.
Nice.
So yeah, so we're all over.
How'd it do?
We're doing, well, this one, not so great. Had a breakage, driver kind of put it into the wall. Oh yeah. So that's not good, but we still won 3rd place in another one. We have 2 of them. So we got
Nice.
3rd place in our
There you go,
category
that's a
now.
podium.
And then we're getting them ready. We're heading up to Watkins Glen for the next race.
Hell yeah. Very sick. Wheelie bars in the pit bike. Smart.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh yeah.
Hey, what's up, dog?
How was your first session?
I mean, it was good. We went out and I was like keeping up with you most of the time. Most of the time.
119s.
Yeah, we're right there. We're right there. Yep. So, yeah, feeling awesome in the car. And yeah, we're getting our laps in, getting a little bit of arm pump, trying to get a stretch up. But yeah, we're getting back in right away. So we got session 2. This time, you're gonna be leading us, right?
I'm leading.
He's leading. Am I last? Am I going 4th?
3rd.
Or am I 3rd? Okay.
I'll be last year.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so.
You're gonna pass Nate and me.
Deal. I almost passed him once or twice, but I think he was sandbagging for me. I was like, just stay behind. But yeah, he's gonna pick up the pace a little bit for us, and we're gonna see how much faster we can go. So yeah, this is sick. Session done, picked up another second. I was running 19 flat now, almost had a 18 in there. Was chasing Nate down, had some good runs where I was right up on him, which is awesome. It was super fun. You know, kind of had to lift a little bit because we talked about no passing. We're still doing lead follows, but gonna pull out second now and gonna follow Sheldon down here, who's ripping. We're gonna see if we can just keep knocking that time down. Do some stuff. Yeah.
For the vlog, tell us your thoughts.
Oh my God, absolutely nuts. These things are cool. Was adapting pretty quick, started to try and push harder towards the end of the day, but of course it's getting hot, so I'm actually like, I'm kind of losing time. I like almost matched my time on like the hottest part of the day, so I think I found a few tenths, but at the sacrifice of the heat, I was a little slower maybe, so we're just really going over the data and looking at the actual lines and how it makes such a difference. Like in drifting, we'll look at data and you can implement it to a degree, but it's not the same. It's not as cause and effect as it is here. So definitely saw massive improvements throughout the day, like going faster every session up until just the hot part of the day. So yeah, super stoked and real consistent. The last session before the peak was I was within a tenth for like 4 laps. So hitting a good benchmark. Got to find that next hurdle to drop another half second, but yeah, the consistency is there, so I'm pumped.
Yeah, so sick, dude. To put it in perspective, Chris walked in, ran a 118, which would take me like 2 full sessions to even get to. And that is insane. And that's, I think, what Doug's looking for.
Yeah.
Race pace, consistency, like Chris just said, 18 something, 18 something, 18 something, over and over.
But you had a flyer, bro. You got me in the end.
Dude, I
You got
know.
me in the end.
I made myself proud, dude. I had
Yeah.
I had a goal of a 117 and I got it, dude.
Yeah.
117.8. But anyways, Chris, stoked you're here, dude.
Yeah, pumped. Day one, yeah, like you said, up on race pace, but yeah, room to grow.
Yep, now he's on an expedited trip to LimeRock. So one day in the car, and then he's gonna go racing with 45 plus cars. Let's go, dude.
Let's do it, man.
Thank you, Doug.
Let's go. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah.
Just
day one.
Day one.
Day
dude.
one, man. Yeah, thanks, Nate, for inviting me out.
101.
Thanks, Doug, for having us.
You got
Yeah.
6 15-minute sessions?
Yeah.
Day one, Chris.
I literally did more time in this car today than an entire FD season, so.
30 minutes.
6 30-minute sessions in 101 degrees. Damn. Welcome.
Yeah, more seat time than a full FD season. Pretty insane when you put it that way, but yeah. Thanks so much. We're gonna party on, dude.
Let's go, dude.
Let's do it.
So FD. All right, let's do one more.
Dog, this is how you do some double duty work, brother.
Listen, Caden said, sign all these because when Chris sells them, they should be signed. And now we're here going to the airport, sign them.
Yeah, so we got them laid out. We're baking them in the sun. This is good. We got a couple boxes.
They're
down
drying
here.
up there, dude.
Yeah, man, they're good. So,
Awesome.
this is one way to, you know, maximize your time.
Dude.
You know, we're racing, we're driving, we're working, we're signing, we're filming.
Rock star over here, dude.
No.
Oh, I can't say that.
Oh, no, not even that. Yeah, I know, like Doug was like, yeah, man, just fly in, fly out, that's awesome, you know, and I'm just like, yeah, this is new to me. He's like, what's your normal? I'm like, I'm normally like these guys and point to the guys in the shop. I'm like, we're usually in the shop just working. Seems really cool looking at this, and yeah, I'll take it. Yes, Doug, this is exactly how it is all the time.
But dude, we ate well last night.
Yeah.
We drove well, 103 degrees, on race pace, straight to the next thing.
Yeah, and so from here, flying out, heading to ZCon headquarters, if you will, which is Christopher Carl's house, and he has quite a collection of Z cars. So upcoming episode, we're gonna do a whole tour of his garage. He has one of every generation Z.
Wow.
Yeah, which is sick.
Dude.
Actually, and multiple of some generations. So there's like a dozen cars.
Dude.
So we're gonna do a killer tour. But yeah, 22 and a half hours on the ground in Dallas, on our way to the airport, starting some Hot Wheels for y'all.
Worth it.
And yeah, and I'm out of here on the plane, on to the next. So see you guys. Nissan Road.
Nissan.
Busted.
Too fast.